In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a site header in Squarespace. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a portfolio, or a business website, having a well-designed header is crucial as it's often the first thing visitors notice. Let's dive into the process to help you achieve a professional-looking header that suits your brand's identity. First things first, open Squarespace and make sure you're logged into your account. This is essential because you won't be able to make any changes unless you're logged in. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the home page of your Squarespace dashboard. You'll notice several options available on this screen, but what we're interested in is located in the left bottom corner. Go ahead and click on your profile icon down there. This will open up a list of all the websites associated with your account. Browse through this list to select the particular website you want to work on. This is an important step because each website in your account may have different settings and designs that you'll need to adjust separately. Once you've selected the correct website, click on it to enter its workspace. Now that you're inside the website editor, navigate towards the edit mode by clicking on Edit in the top bar. This step might seem minor, but it's where the magic really starts. After clicking Edit, the layout of your website will become interactive, allowing you to make more specific modifications. Next, focus on editing the site header. To do this, find and click on Edit Site Header, which usually appears towards the top of your screen. With this option, you'll open a new editing interface dedicated to the header itself. This is where you can get creative and make choices that will define how your site's header looks and behaves. In the Edit Design section, you'll find several options to customize. You can start by changing the layout, choosing from a variety of styles that Squarespace offers. Consider how each option affects the overall feel and functionality of your website, ensuring it aligns with your brand's image. Additionally, you can adjust link spacing and element spacing, which refers to the gaps between different links and components within your header. This can dramatically affect the readability and navigation efficiency for your visitors. You'll also have the option to select effects, as well as modify the border height and width. These adjustments can add a nuanced touch to your header, making it stand out or blend seamlessly with the rest of your website depending on the look you're aiming for. Don't rush this part. Experiment with combinations until you find what works best for you. Once you've finished customizing the header to your liking, remember to click Save to ensure all your changes are stored and reflected on your live site. And there you have it. A straightforward way to design a beautiful site header in Squarespace. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're well on your way to crafting a website that visitors will find both attractive and intuitive.